Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to remove a keyboard language on iPhone. So to do that is really simple. You have just to go to settings and after that scroll down until you find general. Scroll down again until you find keyboard and go to keyboards, and as you can see here you will find the keyboards that you have on your like iPhone, and you have just to swipe left, and as you can see delete button will appear here. You have just to click on